Used to like bitches with hair perm, now I like it natural, actual, factual, naps and shit. Bougie still do ratchet shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here we go, we're about to start. Let's have a little beverage, okay, and get to it. So I'm starting with my hair sections. If you didn't see my last video where we just did a little chat and treat, definitely check it out. That's where I washed my hair and did all of that good jazz. So these are the products I'm using. I did want to get a little head start on this flat iron process so it won't be here all day. So I did do the back, and I just wanted to show you guys when I got closer to the top part of my head so you can actually see a little better, and I figure out how to get this popping because I haven't had my hair short in a minute. So what I do is I put my heat protectant on the whole section, but then I put on additional heat protectant on each individual section, and I detangle, and then I use the chasing method with the comb and the flat iron. Child, be careful because you can burn yourself. That heat, because I have my stuff all the way up. I have thick hair, so honey, a little bit of heat is not going to do anything to it. So I have mine all the way up, and I do run through it a couple times, so it can definitely get straight and it will last a while. But yeah, girl, I just made sure I made that happen there. So I do the same thing again, section the hair, small sections, and definitely apply heat protectant and detangle the hair. And I will put all the products that I'm using in the description box if you're interested in the products that I am using. So yeah, anyway, then I go in doing the chasing method with my tail comb and my flat iron so that you guys can see. And then I just go in and bump it. Like I said, I do it a couple times. If you don't like heat like that, I'm sorry. I'm not burning my hair. My hair does revert really good, as you guys see in previous videos. But yeah, if you have finer hair, do not go as high in heat. Make sure you're being mindful of that so you do not burn your hair and your curl pattern out, okay? So I'm just repeating the same steps over and over again until we get to the top part of the head, sis. So I'm going to let you guys watch how I do it. Okay guys, so now I'm done with the whole head. I'm just going through to make sure that I curl any pieces that I feel like is too straight, just so I can make sure all my hair is super curled. I got body and everything, and it looks the way I want it to look whenever it will be out. Because sis, honey, I don't want to be gone looking crazy. You got to get a preview, you know, do a little rough draft and styling so you know how it's going to look. So whenever you take your hair down, because you don't want to look crazy. But yeah, I just go ahead and apply more heat. Like I said, bump any hairs that I feel like hasn't been bumped. Just make it look super cute. And then, you know, we go in and do the rest. So I'm going to let y'all watch me do this. Okay, now that I'm done feeling myself, okay, we're going to go in and curl this hair. Yes, curl this hair. I just go ahead and use flexi rods just to make sure the curl stays in and is extra tight. So when I go ahead and wrap this hair, everything stays in place and we still got some body to this hair. Some people do it, some people don't do it. Some people just go from here and go straight to wrapping their hair. I just feel like I'm about to go to bed, and it actually works better when I have the curl super tight still and the heat is still on it, to then go ahead and curl it and then wrap it maybe the day after I take the curlers down. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna let you guys watch it, and then you guys can see the final results at the end. So if you're still here, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button to join Low Gang. Until next time guys, keep watching.
So guys, I am back. I want to show you guys the finished results. You know, I like to pop in and do a little chit chat with you guys. So this is how my hair is looking right now. Yes, I just slicked my edges down a little bit, got a little bump. I had like kind of wrapped it a little bit. Yes, I tried to wrap my hair. It did work out a little bit, but it came super flat. So I used my heated rollers to go ahead and reheat them and give it some more body. So that's what it did today. So I'm actually happy about that without having to put so much extra heat on it. If you guys are not sure what a heated rollers are, I can definitely let you know. Let me know down below, because I can show you guys a little mini video on how I use my heated rollers. Save you some time, okay, while you're getting ready. But yeah, I did that to give a little body and curl and bump, and I really like it. Low-key, my hair used to be like this back in the day. I don't know if I'll find a picture and I'll post it on the screen somewhere, but my hair was giving this back in the day, and my hair was cut in a totally different style. But my hair has grown out that I can really finesse it to make it look like the way it was. I'm gonna show you guys the back. So yes, sis, I haven't had a shape up, so I have to figure out how I'm gonna do that because I don't really want to cut my hair anymore, but we're gonna see. But yeah, I have a really small curling iron to really like bump under any type of hair back there, because child, it's short back there. But yeah, it looks super cute. I'm satisfied with the way it looks. I am happy with the way it looks. It's going to do what it needs to do for the time being in the winter time, because child, is cold. So I might be bringing you guys some wig reviews. So if you are interested in that, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and thumbs up this video, so I know that you will be interested in videos like that and you like videos like this. So I know, because yeah, girl, it's winter and I need a little, you know what I'm saying, coverage. Like, my hair was my security blanket. It low-key still is, but it's cold and I like to have my neck covered, and my hair was always that thing that covered my neck. And because my neck is wide out, and this is literally my first time flat ironing my hair with my hair short, I felt the breeze through the scalp, baby. So we need to cover this, okay? So yeah, guys, if you guys like videos like this, and make sure you thumbs up like I said before, and make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can join Lil Gang if you like taking care of your natural hair on a budget, because we save our coins over here, sis. And until next time, guys, kisses from me to you. Bye.